Hello guys, welcome back to Ken LED Screen Replacement and Technician Hub. So today we're going to be working on Philips 55 inches PUS 7303 model. That's it, basically a 2018 model, and it usually comes with this design ambient lights behind the back or at the rear, that when you mount the TV on the wall, there is usually this light that displays from the back or behind. So the TV was brought to us by our neighbor, who basically does not know what to do with it because, like I said, it's a 2018 model, like a Shenton model. So what we did was the backlight was dead, which I will cut you the process. I'm just walk you through to what we did next. We fixed that, and then we started working on replacing the panel, because basically the panel wasn't good, which is the screen. So we'll fix it, do not screen for him. So what you see me doing is me fixing the do not screen after we got the backlight fixed and changed the stain on the TV as you saw earlier. So now I fixing or installed a new do not screen for him. And come on guys, this is a 2018 TV, Philips model 55 inches PUS 7303. So buying a new TV, you know, it will cost you, a smart TV 55 inches will not cost you anything less than 485,000, or let's basically say 455 to 485,000, depending on the model. Okay, so but we fixed a screen for him for 55 inches, okay, for half a price of the money he could have used to fix, okay, half a price. So now I will be showing you at the end of the day what we actually did, for you to see if it is worth buying a new TV. For those of you that you still have a smart television that can serve you, probably the screen went bad or the filament went bad and you decide to throw it away instead of to fix it. So now I just basically flipped the TV, and I'm trying to connect the ribbon flex cable and connect okay, yeah, I'm screwing it back because I've already fixed the panel, which you saw me do when I lifted it. So I'm screwing it back. I'm trying to get all the bowl screwed back to the bezel that is holding the screen. So now after I got that done, like as you're seeing, so I fixed the ribbon flex cable to the panel from the T-con board. You see me doing that. I make sure I fix it properly, because if you don't, it will display plain, it will not show anything. So after I did that, I fixed in back the flat flex cable from the main board to the T-con board. So now I have to hold the panel using a paper tape back to the TV, because basically all the stand that could hold the panel chip there has fallen out, so I have to use a paper tape to fasten it. So what you see me doing is holding it, and now I'm screwing the leg back. So after screwing the leg back, I have to put the back cover. Now from the back cover, you see that, man, this thing has been like, it's almost like it's forgotten. You can see the copious amount of dust on this thing, the way he brought it for. So I have to, you know, after fixing, I'm plugging in the speaker, which is what I'm doing there, plug in the speaker, plugged in, yeah, the speaker, the sensor, yeah. After plugging in that, then you have to make sure everything is okay. There will be nothing I'm going to lose it back to check on, which is one of the most important things you have to do. So once you fix that, you make sure everything is good to go. So the next thing now is I start screwing the back. So but I basically cleaned it for him. After cleaning it, because it was very rough, it was very rough. It's like it was dumped and forgotten, almost like a scrap. So I had to give it a little touch for this thing to come back to life. It wasn't the best kind of touch. It just, you know, I have to screw it. Now I'm gathering the screw which I used to screw the back. So now after screwing the back, then you will see me trying to use a hand spray. Using the hand spray to give it a finishing touch. It wasn't that smooth, okay, it was not that smooth, but I kind of give it a little crazy kind of design. Okay, he didn't pay me for that. I'm just the one trying to make it, you know, make him happy, make him smile and all that. So I just kind of give it a little touch. You can see how it was not that, you know, best kind of touch at the back, but at least brought the TV a bit back to life. As you can see, yes, that's a Philips, 55 inches PUS 7303. That's the model, 2018. It has the ambient light, as you can see at the back. Now flip it to plug it. Voila, the TV is back to life, as you can see. Philips displaying on the screen, and that's the demo, as you can see. So tell me, is it worth throwing out the TV, even though it is 6 years old, it's no longer the newest model? But you can see, is that not a work of art? Very beautiful TV. You can see there, by the way, you can see the display. It's a 4K resolution, a 4K ultra high definition display, as you can see from the screen. It's a very nice TV. It's not worth it throwing away your TV just because the screen broke, or the screen could be damaged, and at the same time the backlight might not be okay. So but we took our time to fix all of that. As you can see, though I didn't show you all of that, I just show you from where I was fixing the screen and all of that. So that is it for today. So if you have a TV and you want to fix the screen, you can reach out to us. Very cheap, half the money buying a new one, and we're good to go. So please subscribe and love what we do here, like, share, and see you next time. Bye bye.